Moisture, thermal bridges, and insufficient ventilation are the main factors that contribute to the growth of fungi on walls. Standard solutions often only mask the problem without truly eliminating its underlying cause. In this presentation, we will introduce an effective and long-lasting method for completely removing mold and for permanently protecting surfaces to prevent its reappearance. This process is based on innovative, unconventional technologies that not only thoroughly clean but also significantly strengthen the wall's structure, providing reliable protection for as long as 10 years. At the beginning, we use the NCT chlor preparation, which effectively destroys mold and its spores. The agent is applied using a spray method in 2 distinct cycles with intervals of 15 minutes between them. Thanks to its powerful biocidal action, it deeply penetrates the wall structure, effectively eliminating harmful microorganisms and preventing their further growth and development. Approximately 1 hour after the application, we then proceed to check the full effect of its action. The surface should be cleaned and bleached immediately. If traces of mold are still visible, we repeat the application. After the wall has dried, we apply a silicate paint, which thanks to its alkaline pH of around 12 to 13, effectively prevents the recurrence of mold. This coating adheres to the substrate, reinforcing the wall structure and significantly improving its vapor permeability. After the paint has thoroughly dried, we then apply NCT Hydro, a completely colorless protective coating formulated with water glass and lithium compounds. This product penetrates the wall's micropores, creating a long-lasting protective barrier against moisture and mold. For optimal effect, we apply it twice at 15-minute intervals. The final shot shows a clean and uniform surface with no traces of mold. This coating provides protection for up to 10 years, and if needed, the process can be easily repeated. How can you prevent mold from reappearing? Opposes. It's important to carry out daily ventilation, preferably the morning for 10 minutes, creating a cross draft through the entire building. It's also a good idea to install a smart ventilation fan, which automatically adjusts humidity levels, activating itself whenever the moisture content goes above 50%. It operates very quietly, generating a sound level of just 25 decibels, making it practically inaudible. Furthermore, it ensures minimal heat loss, only about 10%, without cooling down the rooms. The film demonstrated how to effectively eliminate mold and protect the wall for many years by utilizing NCT chlor technology, silicate paint, and the NCT Hydro agent. This particular solution is more durable than typical antifungal paints as it deeply absorbs into the wall structure, thereby forming a protective barrier. Furthermore, more information and details about the smart fans operation you'll find in the video description.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.